This is a story of a global partnership, a story in which the design was created in Israel, manufacturing took place in China, and the interface with the client and assembly was made in Australia. Work in synergy to achieve the incredible. Cape Preston, 1,500 kilometers from the nearest large city, isolated by vast dry deserts, surrounded by boundless oceans. Our mission was to build a desalination plant, providing fresh water to the CITIC Pacific Mining Sino project, the world's largest iron ore mine.
Water will be a scarce commodity. If you don't have water, you can't generate power. You can't generate power, everything stopped.
When we approached the site, it was looking as a mission impossible.
In the beginning, I remember that I thought, this is crazy.
Basically, there was nothing there. There was no electricity, no infrastructure, hardly no roads.
It was something that was never done before, and this was a big challenge for us.
Cape Preston is the world's first pre-assembled large-scale desalination plant. The entire plant was fabricated in 60 pre-assembled modules, tested in the production facility before being shipped to the site.
We fabricated a desal plant in China by steel structure, and the whole structure is divided into these 4 parts as a functional location. Then we put that onto the vessel. Meanwhile, we prepare the concrete foundations on site. Then we use a trailer to load them out from the vessel, put them onto the foundation, then do the site assemble, then we can do the commissioning.
Eitan called me, the guy that was there on the same time, and he told me, Miriam, we have water. We are producing desalinated water.
The only plant ever delivered worldwide in this manner of building the entire plant in a shipyard and delivering it to site is the Cape Preston project.
It was IDE's commitment to true partnership with the client and his suppliers at every stage that made this challenging project possible.
Not only myself, the whole team had a very good relationship with IDE's engineer, and we feel like we are a big family working together.
There was always lots of things to do at the same time because it's all interconnected. There was a team of IDE working with us, problem solving anything that came up, make sure it all went smoothly. There was it was a good working partnership.
The plant was being sent over here. Everything is critical. So the most important thing is the coordination, and naturally there are some challenges that we managed to overcome them one by one with the help of IDE.
Actually, building this plant was a bridge between the Israeli culture, the Chinese culture, which is the customer, and also the fabricator, and the Australian culture. It was a mixture or a blend that has to be maintained all the way in order to succeed with this process.
You see everything from the very beginning, step by step, how it grows up to delivery. You have water, you can drink this water. It's amazing.
We believe that always working close with your client and with your vendors allows you to achieve the best possible solution for every party and best future for the company.
Today, the Sino Iron Desalination Plant is one of the most efficient plants in Australia.
The way that IDE designed their system has a very low power consumption, which is actually making our operating costs much more lower. We're definitely using less electricity compared to the other general design of RO desalination plant.
This huge challenge of delivering a wholly assembled plant from a shipyard in China all the way to the north of Australia taught IDE that we can leverage this pre-assembled concept and have it regardless of the size or type of project we are working with.
The plant provides 140,000 cubic meters of fresh water daily, granting life to the gigantic iron ore mine and its neighboring inhabitants.